Step 1. Open the box and remove the product. Lay out all components in an organized manner. Step 2. Following the video instructions, remove the 3 original roof panels from the vehicle. Step 3. Thoroughly clean the installation areas, then apply the adhesion promoter. Step 4. As shown in the video, partially peel the protective film from the rain deflector's double-sided tape. Confirm the precise position, then press firmly while gradually removing the remaining protective film to complete the installation. Repeat the same process to install the remaining rain deflectors.